Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. I recently got the Samsung SolarCell remote for a Samsung TV. I love the way it looks. We can also charge this via USB Type-C and with solar charging, which is pretty cool. In our previous remote, the one we originally got, the Samsung TV when we purchased it, we have to use two AA batteries. I used a rechargeable battery charger to charge the batteries now and then. This charger is almost 3 years old and the battery cover is getting easily removed. I used a setup earlier, but I thought why not buy a new TV remote and make a video about that. So here we are. In this video, we will see how to pair and reset both the remotes. I got the SolarCell remote from the official Samsung shop app. I'll share the product link in the description. You can check it out after watching this video if you're interested. Now let's jump into the video. Before we share the procedure, we need to make sure that this SolarCell remote is compatible with our smart TV. If you go to the product link in the description, you can see the list of compatible TVs, Samsung TVs for this. Even this remote is not a 100% match for a smart TV. I'll share about that in our full review soon. Please do subscribe to get notified about this. To pair both the Samsung SolarCell remote and this old Samsung TV remote, all we have to do is turn on the TV first, point the remote at our TV within a good distance, and then press the return button and this play bus button at the same time. These two buttons. At the same time, pointing at the TV for a few seconds. Searching for devices, connecting to the Samsung Smart Remote. Pairing complete. That's all. Now I can use this remote to control our TV. The procedure to do the same for the old remote is same. We just have to press the same return button and the play bus button for a few seconds, and the steps are almost the same. To reset both the remotes, we have to do different steps. I'll explain them one by one. For the old smart TV remote, we have to remove the batteries first. And after that, we have to press the power button for 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's all we have to do. Then we have to open this and insert the battery again. That's all we have to do to reset the old smart TV remote. For the second, for the Samsung SolarCell remote, we have to press and hold the return button, this one, and the center select button. We can call this as enter button. This enter button and return button at the same time for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's all. I would also suggest unplugging the TV for 30 seconds and then plugging it back so that it completes the overall reset. We can reset the Samsung Smart TV remotes if we have any connectivity issues or any syncing issues. We can also try changing the batteries first if a remote is powered by them. The steps I mentioned to reset the remote are officially shared by Samsung, and they worked for my previous remote when I had some issues while connecting. These steps should be more or less the same for duplicate replacement Samsung TV remotes as well. We already published a review about this on our channel. I'll link it in the description for you. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or thoughts about this procedure to connect, pair and reset the Samsung Smart TV remotes, do kindly share them in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.